Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to walk you through our 2018 Volkswagen Atlas Highline that we just got in on the lot. This vehicle does come with the alloy rim package, so you have nice blacked out rims. It does have a nice, beautiful silver exterior, along with a black leather interior. Passenger seat space is massive, and you do have power adjustable seats. Come along to the second bench seating here. These seats do slide forward and back with an adjustable backrest. You do have automatic climate controls for the second row here, as well as heated seats on the outside edges. Below you'll have USB and 115 volt outlet. You do also have a panoramic sunroof, and rear seats do have manual sunshades. Coming around to the cargo capacity here. Cargo area is quite large. Second bench does fold flat if you need be in 60/40, giving you a lot of space to fit a new workout machine if you needed it. Coming around here, very easy to fold up the second bench seat here. Just pull up on the strap and you have your seat wide open. It is a 50-50 system, so you could choose to fold both up, both down, one or the other, up to you. And again, like I said, power tailgate. Coming around to the second bench seat again. Just got to make mention of this beautiful sunroof. Very easy to get into the third row from the second bench seat. All you got to do is look up by the shoulder, pull that there, and the seat will slide forward, giving you tons of space to get into the back. As for the driver's seat, you have fully adjustable backrest, base, lumbar, and memory. You got all of your window switches. And coming into the center area here, you have an electronic parking brake, push to start, your mode button, which will give you eco, normal, sport mode. And you got different terrain modes like snow, road, off-road. That gives you a parking system, so you're going to go ahead and see that it has a backup camera as well as parking sensors. This vehicle does also have navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Sirius XM radio. The parking buttons here will actually give you a couple of different ways to view the vehicle. As you can see, the different sensors changing based on the type of parking that you're doing. The steering wheel, left side will be your cruise control. As you can see that there, that's actually for your radar distance control. And you have all your media buttons on the right. Quickly show you all of the safety features this vehicle comes with. It comes with blind spot, rear traffic, and front assist. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly show you our 2018 Volkswagen Atlas Highline with 73,206 kilometers at the time of filming here. This vehicle has everything that you need to be a people mover or for large families. Please reach out to us with any questions that you may have, as we are very happy to help you with our own vehicles or any vehicle that you might be looking for. Once again, Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Thank you very much, and take care.